Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to share with you about one thing that we all students have faced while MCO just happened about 1 year ago. So we just learn or just uh, more step in e-learning, or we call it ODL, online distance learning. So the problem that we just face in our learning is time management and self motivation. Why time management is the problems, and why self motivation is become a problem to all of students in our country. First, because time management is a discipline. Students just sleep at the late night, midnight, because they see do the assignment and do homework, like anything just they do at the night. That is for the time management. The time management is so bad in our student life. And self motivation, in self motivation, every people in every student have a problem in wake up, early wake up. But our class at 8 8 a.m. in the morning, so the self motivation will be increase immediately, because they um, just wake up at 8 o'clock and open their laptop or gadget for online learning. That is so bad. So the problem there is the two of the problems that just face in our student while ODL just ODL section. So the solution for the problems is, I suggest, the solution is timetable. In our daily life, we must have the timetable to increase our time management and motivation. Self motivation will be more increased, because when we have a time management or timetable, a good timetable, so we know that in the time we what we should do, and at the time what we should do. So timetable is very important. If you can see, we have about in our my subject, in my course, I have about six course that I have learned in one sem. So the timetable to separate the time, what should I do, because all of the course have their own assignment, have their own task or test or assessment. So when we have a good timetable, so we can separate or manage our time and get the right time to do the things, and not late in assignment, in our doing assignment, and our assignment will be great. So timetable is the main key of the solution for the problems, time management and self motivation. So I hope these problems and the solution will help you all of student in Malaysia. So thank you and assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Azfar bin Razli from EE2423F, and assalamualaikum.